Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see the part 2 of the same topic, that is the cubes and cube roots. So before starting the topic, so we have seen in the previous part, that is the exercise 4a. In that there is one correction. In question number 4, it should be a perfect cube and not square. So because the previous chapter is about the square and the square word is used many times, so you can see there is an error that is written instead of cube, it's written a square. That is in question number 4. So you can correct the error over there. So the explanation is okay, only the entry saying that it is a perfect cube instead of a square. So now let us see the next exercise, that is the exercise 4b. Find the value of each of the following using the shortcut method. So now we have seen in the square and square root, that is a bit different, and here is the cube. So this is 25 cube. So before that, let us see the formula for this one. So you know a plus b whole bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here this is a cube. So a plus b cube, this is the formula for this one. A cube plus 3ab a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So now how to remember this one? So now see here, this is a. So this is cube. So this will go in the descending order. So a square, a, and then there is nothing. Actually that will be, this will be a means a raised to 1. So a raised to 0, that is going to be a raised to, anything raised to 0 is 1. So we don't write anything over here, a. Now see here in the first part there is no b. So the b starts here in the second term. So b, then b square and b cube. So this is one of the way to remember this formula. So now this a cube can be split. We can split this one into a square into a. This 3a square b can be done into a square into 3b, and 3ab square b square into 3a, and this will be b square into b. So we have to remember this one. So now here when we say 25 cube means this is in the units place and this is in the tens place. So a is 2 and b is 5. So now let us make 4 columns, and this will write this one. And now you know this a is 2 and b is 5. So if you know these things, only you have to plug in the values. So a square means that is 2, that is 2 square into 2. Then this will be 2 square into 3 into b, that is 3 into 5. B square means that is 5 square into 3 into 2. B square into b means this is 5 square into 5. So now this is going to be 4. 2 square 4 into 2, that is going to be 8. 4 into 15, that is going to be 60. 25 into 6, that is going to be around 150. 25 into 5, that is going to be 125. Now once you get this step, this is the other step, is the next step that is important. Now see here, we will go in the reverse order, that is from right to left. So this you got 125. So just you are going to look at the units place. Units place, you will just put a dash over here down, and this 12 you are going to put it over, you are going to add it in the previous one. So again you got this 162 after adding. So now you just put a line over here on the units place, and this 16 will go here. So this is going to get added. So this is 76. Again you will just underline this one. Again this 7 will go in this place. So now this is going to be 15. So here we don't have any number, so this will keep, the whole thing will keep as it is. So whenever we write now 25 cube, that is this, we are going to take both of them. This one, 2 here, and this, the unit place digits of the rest. So the answer is 15625. And you, when you multiply 25 into 25 into again 25, so you get the same answer. But here they have said to use the shortcut method. So the shortcut method is this one. Now see here, 47 cube. A is 4, B is 7. So same thing, A square into A square into 3B, B square into 3A, and B square into B. Now you know 4 square because A is 4 into 4. 4 square, 3 into 7. 7 square, 3 into 4. 7 square, and this will be 7. So this will be 16. 16 into 4, that is going to be 64. 16 into this 21, that is going to be 36. 49 into 12, that is going to be 588. 49 into 7, that is going to be 343. Now go in the reverse order. That is, you will underline this 3. This 34 will go over here. Add 6 to 2. Underline this. Add 398. Underline this one. 39 will go here. So when you add this, you get 103. So you will write here this, because this is the last number. You will write this whole thing over here. Then 8, 2, and 3. Only the unit place digit of the rest one. So this is the answer. So now let us look the next one. Same. Here A is 6, B is 8. Again this is the same. A square means 6 square into 6. 8 square into 3 into 6. 8 square into 8. So now this is 36 into 6, that is 216. 36 into 24, that is 864. 64 into 18, that is 1152. 64 into 8, that is 512. Again now you will underline the units place. This 51 will be here. Add it. So 1203. Underline 3 because the units place. 120 will go here. Add it. Underline 4. 98 will go here. Add this one, 314. So the answer is this one, 314, then 4, 3, 2. The unit place digit of the rest one. So this is the answer. Now for this one, A is 8, B is 4. Write these things. 8 square into 8. 8 square into 3 into 4. 4 square, 3 into 8. 4 square, and this is 4. So 64 into 8, that is 512. 64 into 12, that is 768. 16 into 24, that is 384. 16 into 4, that is going to be 64. Go in the reverse order. Underline 4. 6 will go here. Add it. 390. Underline this 0. This will go here. Add. You get 807. Underline 7. Add this together. That will be 592. So this is the last number. So this will be together. The rest will be only the units place. So here, this is the answer. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.